beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and you're ready to code with me. Today we are on a daily UI challenge and I'm going to combine 3 challenges into one. So we are currently on day 33, which is customized product, and then we have day 34, which is car interface, and day 35, which is a blog post. I will try to combine all these 3 challenges into one. I've already have in my mind what I want to do, and I've actually have some informations here. I will link in the description box everything that you may need, as well as I'm going to link the project that I'm going to do right now in the description box and in GitHub, because I know that I'm coding on CodePen, but this is not everyone's cup of tea, so maybe you prefer GitHub. Anyway, let's see what I already have. I'm coding in AngularJS and I'm using MaterialUI as my, style sheet or style guide. In the HTML, I have like today's theme, which is like day 33, 34, and 35. Then in the working area is where all the work is going to be. And then we also have the CSS. For the CSS, I don't have a lot of things, as you can see, like body, theme, working area, and gear, which is a class that I'm going to be needing really soon. And in the JavaScript, sorry for that, in the JavaScript I have like this part right here, which is like the connection through the HTML and the controller. Alright, now without further ado, I think that we are ready to start. Actually, we are going to start from the last part, from day 35, which is the blog post, because I think it's the easiest one. Here, an hour, I'm going to change a few things, like this one. I'm going to make the blog a clickable, like action, so it will be something like this. And here on the blog I have like the show advanced events. Now if you go to day 16, which I'm going to leave in the description box in the link, we've done something very similar. We just had a button, and when we were clicking on that we had a form. Now this time, instead of a form, we are going to have our blog. So it's exactly the same thing, like in ngClick. Then we have our function, and then in the controller we have like some things here. I'm quickly going to copy this part right here. Let me show you. Like right here, I'm going to do a few changes and then I will be back. So let's pause the video. Alright, and after a quick pause for you or for me, we are back. On the JavaScript part, I added this so advanced function, and if you're afraid that you may miss something, again in the description box you will find everything you need, the code pen, so everything will be there. Now in the HTML I have the function, and not only that but also a script. Now in this script I have like some information and stuff. I don't think that this are like really necessary. If I click here on the blog, now I have this, which is our blog post, and you have like more on care news. If you click on it, you're going to be a transfer in the website that I got all the information, and then you have like not useful or useful. Again, all the information are from this website, so I'm going to leave it also in the description box. Alright, that was our script, and that was day 35, but we have quite a few more things that we have to do, so let's keep working. Now the other thing that I'm going to do is to add an image. To add an image, this is like really simple. Oops. I'm going here, image, and CRC equals, I've already have an image right here, so I'm going to copy that one, okay, and paste it here. Do I need anything else here? I don't think so. We can continue working. I'm going to have an empty divider, and after that divider, okay, let's see what I have. I don't want this image, but I want, maybe it would be better if I had it in a section like that. Okay, and then in this section I could have like the layout. I'm quickly going to copy and paste that part here. Maybe the layout align this time is going to be space around. Okay, and this time again I'm going to add an image, so let's copy this one more time. Okay, the image that I want now is that one. Okay, let me paste it. Cool. And I don't really like that one, so I think that now I can also add the class gear that I showed you before. Like this one is the gear, it has a width and a height, and that's it. Oops, I should also fix that one to pixels. Alright, so I have the image. What else do I want? I want maybe 2 buttons, so I'm going to do an MD button here. And inside there I'm going to have a class equals MD raised. Okay, and I will write here auto. Okay, that's it. Also, I'm going to copy that one and paste it. This time I'm going to write off, but I also want some other classes, MD raised and MD primary. And I also want to make it as ng disabled equals true. Okay, so now it will look something like that. Okay, I'm going to copy the whole section one more time, and before I do that I also want the divider. Okay, I'm going to change my image to this one. Okay, let's go here. And what else do I want this time? I'm going to have a front and a rear. Okay, you can either keep the buttons, you know, like that, or maybe you can also change them, like it doesn't really matter. Let's copy one more time this section, but this time I will change quite a few things, and I think that one of the things that I'm going to change is, of course, the image. Okay, let's go here and paste it, and I'm going to add an empty switch. Okay, so I will delete the 2 buttons, and instead I'm going to have the empty switch. For that, I'm going to have again a class with MD primary, a name special, and an ng model of project special, which is going to be, let's say, required, but this is not really required. You can maybe delete that. So it's a secure seat belts for all passengers, and it's like that and like that. Alright, this is switch and then section, and maybe I can copy this thing one more time. Okay, we have that, so let's take also this thing here, let's paste it right here, and this time we will talk about the Bluetooth, so I will change a little bit the MD switch. Okay, let's do it like that. So this time we have Bluetooth, and again the name is special and the project special. These are like exactly the same. But this time I'm also going to add another image inside this section. So it's going to be something like that. Maybe I will do it like this, okay? I have the image. This time it's the AirPods with the Bluetooth, and again you have like the speakers. So it's something like this. You see that if I change one, everything is changing, and this is because my ng model is always the same. But if I had it like special 3, and that would be like special 2, and that would be like special, then you will see that I don't have this problem and I can change them like quite easily. Okay, now let's add another divider after this section, and let's keep working a little bit more. I'm going to add a new section. I'm going to do this quite fast because I'm pretty sure that you already know the drill. So it's section with layout row and a line space around in the center. You can have either the layout wrap or not. This time actually is not going to change a lot of things. As for the images, we have like this image here for the AirPods that we've already saw, and then this one for the fan, and this one for the temperature. So it's this part, like the fan and the temperature. As far as I can see now, we have like a small problem with the height, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, maybe at 650 pixels. Okay, I think now everything looks cooler, and this was our project. We did the customized product because you can customize, you can make it however you like, and we have the camera interface because you can change like quite a few things, and of course we have the blog post. So that was it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this quick project, which was like 3 to into 1. If you did like it, make sure to share a like and subscribe. It would be awesome. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer it. Thank you. Bye.